So this is the exciting part. It's the drizzle. I'm going to try something a little different because I have the Fireside Ebony from staining the top of the dresser. I think what I'm going to do is do a splash of that inside of the Cocoa Cafe drizzle just to make it a little bit darker. The Cocoa Cafe tends to be a little more of a burnt sienna, a warm coppery tone, and I want that, but I also want the depth of the darker Fireside Ebony in this. So I'm going to mix the two together and see what I get. You know what I'm going to do. I'm going to shake my jugs, right? This is the Cocoa Cafe that is included in your Pro Pack for the Statehouse White. And just give it a good shake. So I think this time I just want to do something really light. Again, I'm going to shake. Sorry, this is well loved. This is the Fireside Ebony that I use a lot in here from Vermont Natural Coatings. It's an all-in-one, so you don't need to do anything special, just enjoy it. Do not clear coat this. I've found that when I clear coat it, it leaves like a film, so just be aware of that. And I also don't want to go too crazy because I really like this antique white. So I think I just want to do some touches on the edges. A little splash. That's plenty. And then I'll mix these two together. It's kind of like making brownies, only different. Okay. And make sure that you have your baby wipes close at hand, which I do.